Just gonna give you key points while we're unboxing. Straight out, why would you buy this phone? Well, you know what? It's got top tier performance for gaming, and it's really good display. It's got a huge battery, fast charging, pro level cameras, and it's a great value compared to other flagship phones. All right, let's just go into the full specs here. Straight out, the display is 6.78 inches. They're calling it an LTPO AMOLED screen, up to 165 hertz, depending on what games you're playing. Specialized games, but they're out there. Now, the processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Supposed to be the first phone this year that's going to have this, but there are other phones coming out. It's a specialized version. It's supposed to be the fastest. That's what they're boasting. All right, so their base model version runs for $899. 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. Their high end version is 16 gigabytes of RAM plus 512 gigabytes of storage. You're going to have three colors. You got violet, sandstone, and the infinite black, which I'm showing here right now because I purchased this at Best Buy. You can buy it at Best Buy, buy it at Amazon, or on OnePlus's website. If you bought it on OnePlus's website, they're going to give you some type of freebie. It's pretty good. Works out that way. Best Buy right now, for a little while, will give you $100 Best Buy gift card if you purchase it. Cameras that are in this right now: triple 50 megapixel camera. It's got a wide and ultra wide and a telephoto. Straight out. All right. It's built with glass, metal, and it's kind of weird. It feels weird. It almost feels like ceramic, but it's not. And the scratch resistance is crazy. You can look at other YouTubers, they went crazy about it. All right. On that note, as I'm continuing to open this up, this phone, like, literally reminds me of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And it's crazy to see it the way it is. Probably do a comparison with the iPhone 17 Pro Max and these cameras because everybody's saying the cameras aren't the greatest this year on that. All right, on that note, guys, this is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you in my next video.